In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use client script in Zoho CRM. Client scripts in Zoho CRM let you control what users see and do directly on the page, right inside their browser. They're great for things like validating data before it's saved, showing or hiding fields based on conditions, or guiding your team through a specific process. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to the client script area, create a new script, and what to pay attention to as you fill out the details. First, open your Zoho CRM account and log in as a user who has access to setup or admin tools. Once you're on the main CRM screen, look toward the top right corner for the setup or settings icon. Depending on your layout, this might look like a little wrench, a screwdriver and wrench, or a gear. Go ahead and click that to open the setup page. When the setup or settings page opens, you'll see a lot of different sections and options. To quickly find what we need, use the search bar that appears within the setup area. Click into that search field and start typing client script or just script. Zoho will filter the results as you type, so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. From the search results, look for the option labeled client script. Click on that to open the client script management page. This is where you can see any scripts that already exist and where you'll create new ones. On the client script page, you should see a button or link that says create new script, or something very similar. Click that to start setting up a new client script. Now you'll be taken to a form where you need to fill in the details of your script and follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll start by giving your script a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can easily recognize what it does later. You may also be asked to choose the module where this script will run, such as leads, contacts, deals, or quotes, and to specify where in the page it should apply, like on Create, Edit, or Detail Views. As you move through the prompts, Zoho will guide you to define the logic of the script. Take your time to read each instruction. If you're writing code, use comments and test with simple conditions first. When you're done, save and enable the script, then test it in the chosen module to make sure it behaves exactly as you expect.